Software. Computer hardware cannot work by itself. It needs step-by-step instructions to perform a task. These stepwise instructions are called software. The games you play on a computer are examples of software. There are mainly two types of software: system software and application software. System software. System software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. So, the system software is like a manager of a computer system. Without system software, the computer is like a car without a driver. Operating system is an example of system software. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system available today. It has different versions like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10,
and Windows 11.
Application software. Application software is used to perform a specific task. Some examples of application software are Paint,
Windows Media Player, and Word 2016.
Paint is used to draw and color pictures. Windows Media Player is used to play movies and songs. MS Word is used to type letters, applications, articles, and essays.